What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Dad and Son.
Kick Talk.
And today we're kick talking about...
We're doing something different today, y'all. We're going to talk about our top 5 pickups of the year.
That was definitely a 5, but thanks.
You like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, top 5.
I was putting up the 5, then you dapped me up.
Oh, you did a hand up. I thought.
Nah.
I thought you were looking for
But
the
I
dap.
appreciate you though. Now I'm dapping.
All right, that's
Now
my
I'm
man.
dapping,
That's
yeah.
my man right here. So listen, Nigel, before we get into this conversation today, if it's their first time here, what should they
know
do?
what you need to be doing, bro.
Tell them. You gotta
Ring
tell
that
them.
notification bell.
Ring it. Come on now. Right
Ring,
down there.
ring.
Ring, ring. Hit the subscribe. Thank you.
Right.
And now that that's out of the way, calm down. Don't get the boy hyped. He's growing. You know, he's trying to learn to control his temper, his anger, things like that.
Y'all gonna make me snap out here,
Positive
bro.
vibes.
I'm
Positive
trying to
vibes.
keep it cool.
Just relax, G.
I'm
Relax.
good. I'm good.
So we're talking about top 5 pickups of the year. This is, what is this now? September. We done gone through, man, the year's flying by. And there's been a ton of drops. But sometimes you just gotta step back, right? Step back and say, what did I pick up this year? What did I cop that I love? I may not have worn them all, depending on when they were born or the shoe itself. But what do I love? What is the top? And I pulled out a few that I just want to cover. Show you too, because you haven't seen them all. But it's, I mean, you've seen them all, but you don't know the 5 that I pulled out to cover right now. And I'll start by saying it's a little all over the place, because it's not one type of shoe, not one brand or one model. I'll say that. You ready to get into it?
It should be. You gotta have a variety, you know?
And these are really in no particular order. I'm not going to say this was like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top of the year, but just the 5. Does that make sense?
I get you.
All right.
For sure.
Should we get started?
Yeah.
All right. So again, in no particular order, we're going to start right here. One of my top 5 of the year. This probably is a usual suspect because it was a collab that was highly coveted. It was a model that is not on people's #1 list, but it was done the right way. And it is the Armand Jordan 2. I know. Nigel's not a huge fan. Am I right?
You're right.
You don't love the Jordan 2.
I don't love the 2, but I will say, I think that despite the fact that I hate the Jordan 2 silhouette, I think they did the right thing with it.
Yeah, they did a great job with a
did.
shoe that you don't necessarily love.
Yeah.
Agreed. You know, and you guys have seen this shoe, right? It's still dead stock. I haven't worn it yet. It's just the right occasion hasn't presented itself just yet.
Wow.
I mean, I don't want to wear these just to run the Target. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I need like the right fit, the right occasion to rock these.
Yeah.
But I love them so. James Whitner and crew, they did such a great job with the crackle print, the crackle on the leather, and the snake skin on the midsole. The OG, like this aged look. Then the smoky heel counter they threw on here, right?
Yeah.
And the Armand in the back.
And then all this cushion inside, so you just
The trademark.
walking on pillows.
Exactly. The cushioning inside, exactly. The insole is nice and cushiony too. It's just a well done shoe, man. All right, now you can move those out.
All right.
I'm on your Jordan 2. Another one is a different silhouette. It is the Air Max Concepts. This is called the, I don't ever remember the name of it.
This is how you know you got too many shoes.
So this is the Concepts Air Max Mellow.
There you go.
Yeah, this one's mellow. And I love this one because, again, you know, I love when shoes come out and something is done differently, man.
Yeah.
And this is, I love Air Max 1s. This with the denim, the nylon, all the different materials and patterns concept added to this. Plus you got like the velour on the tongue.
And it's literally like a seam
Yeah.
in the shoe. I just peeped this for the first time.
Yeah?
Like, I didn't notice looking back. Like, I remember when we first did the video on it, you were talking about how the bottom is brown with like the
Splatter.
splatter on here because to represent all the dirt and mud that was
At
being
the festival.
stomped around
At Woodstock.
at Woodstock, right?
Yep.
But I just realized that, look at this. Here's the dirt, right?
Yeah.
On top of the dirt is the grass.
Oh.
And then on top of the grass is the sky.
Oh, is that what happened
They
there?
were crazy.
That's a detail we didn't miss then.
I
mean, we missed.
Right, I literally just peeped that. So it really, I like this choice, Dad. This is tough.
Awesome, man. I'm glad.
And they got the
different swooshes.
They got the colors of Africa too. They got the black, red, and green.
The black one.
Need a little shout out.
It was like there was a whole bunch of stuff going on, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, great shoe. Air Max 1. Love that model. All right.
All right.
So the Air Max Concepts Mellow. Another one. This is a fairly recent entry, but one that I really do love. The Nike SB Dunk Phillies.
Yeah.
These are, super recent pickup. But these are probably, one of my favorite dunks in the collection now, man. They are just clean, easy colors. Like, they just fire to me, man.
10.
I know you love them. Yeah.
10.
We gave these a 10 when we did our video. If you haven't seen that, go back and check the review. But the materials, the nubuck and the suede, the details on the back of the tongue. You got the Philly cheesesteak on this puppy.
What I can really go for right now.
Oh.
They got the Liberty Bell.
Ring that bell. What should they do, Nigel?
Ring that Liberty Bell.
Ring the
Ring
notification
that bell
bell.
like it's Liberty.
There you go.
I was ready to spit, but I will rise with Liberty.
Liberty Bibbity, they always doing a commercial and the guy's like, Liberty
Ring that
Bibbity.
bell like Liberty, like a commercial, like Bibbity.
Okay.
Ribbity, ribbity, bibbity.
Uh-oh, bibbity bobbity boop.
Bibbity, boppity, boop. Who's ringing a bell? That's you.
There you go. Bars. Nike, Phillies, SB Dunk.
There you go.
All right. This next entry is one for the nostalgia. And of course, my guy, my all-time favorite athlete of all time, the magnificent Bo Jackson, right? These are shoes that I had in high school. You know the story here, man.
I know the story.
The blue, the orange, my favorite colors, my
Got it.
schools. And just the classic, man. So my high school colors, my college colors were blue and orange. I had these in 11th grade, and I've loved them ever since, man.
That's me.
That's you now.
Really?
Right, you're in 11th grade. So imagine the shoe that you fall in love with this year, you don't see it again until you're 40-something years old. It's going to have that connection.
That's really crazy.
You
It's
get
not
it
really
now.
feel you now that I'm
Right.
like, yeah.
That was me with the little peach fuzz, you know what I mean? Just starting to grow. And I had these on and I loved them. And then they were gone. And I'm like, man, I wish they would bring those back. Then boom. I'm 47, so 50,000 years later. Now I love them. I got them and I got the chance to get them back again. So
And the Bo Jackson part too.
yeah, Bo, my favorite athlete.
Yeah.
Yeah, my
What's
favorite
you got to do with these?
This was his signature shoe.
Right.
Yeah.
That's really like, I'm telling you, this is really like your shoe.
It's like they call it kismet, right? Like the universe just kind of in sync, right? My favorite athlete, my school colors, one of my favorite shoes. It all just ties together. It's all connected.
So this is what you call the daddy seed right here.
Exactly. The Air Trainer SC, Bo Jackson, also known as Daddy Seed.
And I don't even like it.
This is a 90s shoe. This is the 90s,
Yeah, it
man.
is.
This is 1992. 91, 92?
Wow.
Boom. That was a while ago, right? All right. And the last entry in the top 5 pickups of this year is one that I really love, and I know a lot of people don't love it as much as I do. It is the Air Jordan 4, of course, my favorite Jordan silhouette, Amethyst Wave, also known as the Zen Master, also known as the Phil Jackson shoe.
Also known as the...
That's it. The Air Jordan 4. Yeah, the Amethyst Wave. This is one that released in Europe and has not released in the States locally, So this is one that I got on a raffle in Europe. Yeah, happened to win that. It still hasn't released here in the States, so I don't know when this
It's
is going to
that
drop.
foreign drip.
That's right.
It's that overseas.
I wore it though, so watch the sole.
Oh, nasty.
Careful. Do it this
That
way.
foreign drip.
Do it this way. It still got the, only wore it once, but still got the good smell. And nah. Hey man, what you trying? It smells fine. So this shoe, again, my take on shoes is, especially with Nikes and Jordans, is just do something different, right? Give us something different. Everything can't just be just another remix retro with a different color blocking on the same shoe. They use way different materials. You got the canvas, around the shoe. You got this clear, translucent plastic, the rubber that they use on the heel and the wings.
And literally the color.
Yeah, the color of it is so different.
The pattern on it is like clouds or something.
So it's like the cosmic cloud. I guess it's kind of like the amethyst wave. That's what this is.
That was so hard.
That's what they call the shoe. What?
I thought you was trying like...
I wasn't trying to make a rhyme.
I kind of think that it kind of looks like a amethyst wave. I
Oh,
thought that's what you was trying to do.
I was trying to do that.
Oh, it was heat.
Yeah, thanks. So that's my top 5.
Oh, hold on. Let me tell you.
What up?
I just really got to express that when I saw this shoe in pictures online, it looked beautiful. And the pattern on here looks so cool.
Yeah.
But now having it in hand, the quality is just whack. I feel like they went from 4K to 720p.
Whatever, boy. That's why this is my top 5 pickup.
True.
Because
That is all you.
dig
You
it.
got it.
I dig this shoe, man. I like it again. It's different. And
It's good.
there's
I
no
like
other
the shoe.
shoes just outside looking like this. All right, y'all. So this is my top 5 so far for this year. What do y'all think about them? Are you vibing with this group?
Yeah.
Any of these in your top 5?
You know what I just peeped?
What's that?
I think this one is really your favorite because you got all the rest out just sitting here. And this
They
one
wouldn't
you got in
fit,
your
man.
hands like it's your child.
It wouldn't all fit in the frame of the camera.
But this is the one you chose to hold. So this
I do like these a lot.
right here. What's
Being
that?
honest. But again, no particular order, so I don't know. But let us know what you think about these. Thanks for hanging out on this one. We see you on the next. Peace.